Who said tools are just for guys? There are tools that I've grown to love since we've been out RVing, and I want to share them with you today. Hi, I'm Randy, and this is my channel. I'm so thrilled you're here. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button below so we can adventure together. Hi, Princey. Here are the best RV tools. More information and links to each one of these tools will be in the description of this video below. First up, let's talk about why I love these tools so much. Each one of them is powered by a battery. That means you do not need electricity to run any of these tools. With a charged battery, you simply insert it into any one of the tools. See, that's loads of fun. First up, let's talk about the DeWalt Fan. There have been evenings when it's not warm enough for us to run our air conditioning, but we just want some extra air movement. This DeWalt fan has come in really handy. We will often position the fan right there on the kitchen counter, and then the air blows right over there and over the bed. The fan has got several speeds, and the top speed does a pretty good job at moving air around. Of course, what's really amazing is the DeWalt batteries, but you can also plug any of these tools into an electrical cord. For all of these tools, we've got a 20-volt battery and we've got a 60-volt battery. To give you an idea of how long these batteries will last, when we use the 20-volt in the fan, it will last up to 7+ hours, and the 60-volt battery will for sure get us 10 hours and over. The fan also is very adjustable and it's very durable. We've used the DeWalt fan a lot, and it's been great to have. Coming in at number 2 is the DeWalt vacuum. Yes, it's just a vacuum, but it's no ordinary vacuum. Of course, right out of the gate, one of the big benefits is the fact I don't have to plug it in to use it when I want to do some quick cleanup. But also, this vacuum has a second purpose. I often use this hose here as a bug zapper. Yes, that's right. This is also a bug zapper. If I've got mosquitoes or flies or any insects I don't want in the RV, I will turn this on and I will just walk around the RV and go zap, 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 zap. It's been a great way to get rid of bugs and insects in the RV. Yes, I never thought I would be so into tools and love tools so much, but these tools have come in so handy while we have been RVing that I can too now say I love my tools. Coming in at number 3 is the DeWalt flashlight. First of all, just having a flashlight as a tool is pretty cool. It shines really bright. Coming in at number 4 is the DeWalt drill. And we use this to bring our jacks or stabilizers up and down. And this is our DeWalt drill. I may have saved the best for last. Number 5. This little DeWalt tool is actually a USB charger. Yes. So once again, just put it on a battery, slide it in, and we've got USB ports right here. Now I can keep all of my gadgets charged at all times. Whoever said tools weren't fun? Yes, I never thought I'd be talking about tools, but I have grown to love these tools, and they've made RVing for me much easier. I want to know what tools you use and which ones have been instrumental in making your RV life better. Please share with me in the comment section below. I will be sure to leave information about all of these different tools in the description below.